Welcome to Learn Excel Macros in 5 minutes. You'll learn how to activate, record, and run a macro in 16 easy steps. The first step is to activate the Developer tab within Excel. So to activate, step 1, you must go to File. Step 2, once you've gone to File, you want to find Options underneath File. Step 3, once you've clicked on Options, the Excel Options box will open up. Within it, you'll find Customize Ribbon. So step 3 is you want to click on Customize Ribbon. Once you've clicked on Customize Ribbon, step 4 is to find the Customize the Ribbon drop-down box and make sure Main Tabs is activated. Step 5, you'll want to find the word Developer and make sure there's a check mark by Developer. Step 6, you want to click OK. Once you've done these 6 steps, you will have activated Developer at the top of your ribbon in Excel. After that, you got to learn the steps to record. Step 7, you must go to the Developer. Step 8, you want to go to Record Macro. Click on it, and then step 9, you'll have the Record Macro box open up. And here is where you want to name your macro. Now you can have as many words as you want, but you cannot have any spaces between them. So if you want to have the name of your macro being new macro, so 2 words, you must have an underscore that connects the word new and macro together. If you do not, when you go down and click OK, Excel will come up with an error message saying that you forgot to use an underscore. Now, if you don't want to have to use an underscore, then you'll have to run your words together and you'll have to have new macro as one word. Step 10, you want a description. By putting a description in here, it lets you remind yourself what the intent of this macro was if you come back at a later date and time. Step 11, click OK. Once you click OK, this is where you'll be able to begin recording the steps within your macro. So step 12 is to record the steps for the process you would like to record and have Excel do over and over and over again whenever you click on that specific macro. Step 13, once you have recorded all of your steps, you're going to want to go back to the Developer and click on Stop Recording. Once you've done this, you have effectively recorded your macro. Now you got to know how to run the macro. So step 14, under Developer, you'll find Macros, which is right here. You will click on Macros. Step 15, you will find the macro that you have created. And you'll make sure it is highlighted. Step 16, you will run the macro. If you do these 16 steps, your macro will work. So, I've got a macro called subscribe to my video. Down at the bottom here, you'll see 4 tabs, but once I run my macro, you'll see a 5th tab come up. So Developer, Macros, subscribe to my video, run, Sheet 14 came up. And it says subscribe, like, and share. So please subscribe, like, and share to this video if you found it informative. Thank you.